This is so nice. What's that noise?
Come here! You're coming with me! Come here, kid!
No!
You're coming with me!
No!
That kid was home alone. You're coming! Hey! You shut up, alright? Come on! Get in here! Get in the corner! Get in the corner now! I'll be back! Never stop. The camera's gonna be on you. I'll be back!
What should I do? What did I breathe in my backpack?
What was that?
What is that?
Oh yeah, post.
What is this? Why is my stupid self brought this?
I need to make him unconscious. Kid, shut up now, or else you're gonna die, okay?
Okay.
Shut up! Okay, kid, listen to me now, alright? Or else you're gonna die. Oi!
What?
You passed out. No, you passed out. Okay, now it's time to tie his hands up. What is it? I can get you down to there. Boop. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wait, miss. Okay. Wake up! Remember me? You're about to die from it. The lights are flickering.
Wait, pause.
No, I don't.
Wait, can I have the fiend for a second?
Ugh.
You know you can go like this.
You are about to die, alright? How do you wake up and do that? Come here, I got you by the neck, alright? You come with me. You don't need this anymore. Put this in the Come here! Hey, come here! You shut up. Give me this. Untie. You come with me. Hey, come here, kid! Got you! Got you! Come. You know what? Let's just... Okay, now let's... Now that's stuck to the ground, and tie your hands to it, okay? And now it's gonna go like there. So now you're gonna have to dump your head in the toilet.
Yo, Tony. Yo,
Dump your head in the toilet now!
Yo, what's up, Tony?
Hey! You shut up!
I'm your friend.
I'm a
You
robber!
don't remember me?
I'm a robber!
Oh, no.
Cut.
No,
Cut.
No! Come here. You come up here now.
Bro, you just messed up the scene. Okay.
You're coming with me. You're coming with me, alright? And you better be quiet this whole ride.
Just so you know, I can't do that.
Little kid, you have to come with me. Jump!
Wait, cut. I need to grab a hook
No.
shot, okay?
No, I don't know what to do. You're coming with me, alright? Just
Okay.
try to hop up. No, kid! Oh, he's good. Hey, kid! Eat these beans! Eat the beans, kid. Far up here! Oh, a little bit far. Come here, kid. You listen to me, alright? And if you don't listen to me, I'm gonna push you off this edge. Right?
Guy, you need to clean your teeth every night.
Come here. Get off the edge. Come on.
Ah!